Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the KnitCrate unboxing and it finally arrived almost at the end of the month. But I did email KnitCrate and they said that they were trying out new shipping ways and that's why. So now they're going to fix it and go back to their initial shipping method, which I like very much because I preferred it. So we have two knit crates. I usually unbox one per video, but I just want to unbox both of them in one video, edit it and upload it for you guys because it's nearly the end of the month and I figured that you want to see the contents of the knit crates. So I usually get a membership and an artisan knit crate. So we're going to start with this top one. I've cut it open. That sounds bad. I've cut the sellotape and we're going to let me just get this out of the way. So we're going to open it. Oh wow, I don't know if I should show you the wool or the let me just show you the wool. It's just too pretty. So it's their own one and it's Vitellana. Anyway, let's just get both of the things out of the box and out of the way. Ta-da! Here it is. Oh my goodness, I love this color so much and I love this wool. I've had it before. I haven't. Okay, this is a new one. So it's a worsted weight. The colorway is called Dawn Blush, which I mean, it's just wow. It's 100% Peruvian Highland wool, worsted weight. You get 201 yards, 183 meters. Let me just put this here so you can read it. 100 grams. The suggested needle size is US 8 to 10 or 5 to 6 millimeters. So it's quite chunky. It's not like chunky, but it's chunky-ish. Hand wash only, lay flat to air dry. All Vitellana yarns are made exclusively for KnitCrate. So it's their own wool. Highland wool, Peruvian Highland wool. I believe we will learn something about it in this book. So this is the membership sock crate. This is the membership knit crate that I received here, and you get the leaflet for the patterns for the membership knit crate and also for the sock knit crate, which we don't have, but we'll have a look at the pattern because you get that pattern as well, which is amazing. And it costs $24.99 and you get 2 skeins and quite a few patterns. A skein, one of these skeins, it costs at least, I don't know, between $15 actually, sorry, I kept saying pounds, $15 to $20, and you get 2 skeins and patterns plus free shipping for $24.99, which will be like not even 20 pounds for the UK, and it's shipped here for free. Now let's just get a look at these patterns. And I've seen this on their knit crate because I follow them on Instagram and I get sneak peeks of what's coming up. And this is a cowl and it's like a geometric kind. It looks a bit like the washcloth I did. I don't know if you've seen it in my previous video. It's a geometric, like a 3D cube pattern of pearls and knit and purl stitches, but this one is kind of like a diagonal. I will have links down below to their Instagram, their Ravelry, so you can see more pictures of the patterns that you get. Now let's have a look inside. So this This month's theme is, yes, it's Snuggle Up. This month's theme is all about staying in and appreciating the little things in life. We hope you'll spend some quality time with yourselves, your pets, friends, and family, and set the year off right in a calming, soothing way. And I love this color, but I have to say, for some reason this year I've started to love yellow so much, and oh gosh, that's a nice one. And I don't know what this is, but we'll have a look inside and show you what it is. I just need to find it. Sleepy New Year. Anyway, let's go to the pattern. So the first pattern is called Shift, and is by, I'll let you read that, Jen Gigley, I guess. And it's a cowl. It's called Shift, and is knitted with this exact one, I believe. That's what it looks like. It's very beautiful. Oh my goodness. The crochet pattern is the thing that, oh my days. It's called Embrace, and it's like one of those old-fashioned wraps for your hands. So you go like this and it just wraps your hands. So kind of like, not gloves, but because it's all in one. But I can't believe this is a crochet. Wow. I want to learn how to knit this stitch in knitting. If you know where I can find this like raised, it's not like the raindrop, like the one I have called the raindrop. That's like fluffy. I'll show you what I mean, but it's not like this. I want to learn how to knit this. This is the crochet pattern. So you get a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern for this, so you can knit one or the other. And then let's look at the rest of the patterns. What else have we got here? Oh yes, you get some information about the Peruvian Highland wool. Peruvian Highland, a specific sheep cross that has been cultivated from two highly popular breeds in South America. The Corriedale, a medium wool sheep with a slightly wiry hand, adds strength, while Merino adds softness and fineness to the fleeces. It is very soft. It doesn't feel itchy if I put it on my face, so it's nice. I've had this wool before, Peruvian wool from a different brand, but I haven't had theirs. But yeah, this is nice. So it's perfect for a cowl because you don't want something like scratchy around your neck. So yeah, there's some information about the Peruvian wool, which I like. And you get 3 books here in case you want to read more about these breeds. The Knitter's Book of Wool by Clara Parks, the Fleece and Fiber Source Book by Carol Icarius and Deborah Robson, and Slow Knitting by Hannah Thiessen. I will have a look for those 3 books because I always like to learn more about wool and sheep. I love sheep so much. Maybe that has to do because my brother has sheep. Anyway, let's see what else we have in the booklet. We have, oh wow, the Winter Light socks. And if you have a sock KnitCrate, a membership sock KnitCrate, you will get this pattern, which is beautiful, and the wool to knit it, of course. I like that heel. I wonder what that heel is. I'll have a look in a second. Let me just check. Sorry, I can't show you all the information because it's, you know, you have to pay for it. No, where is the heel? Gusset. Heel flap. Begin working flat or okay. Oh, it's just the Eye of Partridge, the one I usually do. It's just because the yarn is variegated. It's like, you know, different shades. It makes it look like it's a pattern, but it's not. They're beautiful, aren't they? They're very nice. And you also get a chart with that. And the designer, Laura Fallon Staker. Yeah. And that is all. And then you get a peek for next month. And from what I can see, it's going to be very bright and colorful, which I like because spring is coming. So yeah, if you're interested in, you can get these skeins. Just pay for the skeins without the KnitCrate on KnitCrate website if you want to just buy the wool. But I do advise you to subscribe because you get amazing wool, you get amazing patterns, and obviously you can stick to the patterns to knit the stuff, to knit your project, or you can just use your own pattern or a different pattern to use the wool for. And it's a very good value for money, the KnitCrate. But yeah, this is the membership KnitCrate for January 2019. I love it. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm gonna knit with it. I don't really wear cowls, so I'm not sure if I will knit the cowl. I do like the stitch though, so I might give it a try. But yeah, let's go ahead and check. Well, back up in here and check the artisan, because this is the membership. And we will check the artisan, which I think is going to be even better. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, let's go ahead and see. Oops. Oh. Okay. It's exactly the same. All right. Well, it's exactly the same box. They might have made a mistake. They sent me two of the same thing. All right. Okay, well, I'm not going to unbox this one because it's exactly the same as the one I just did. All right, that's a bit disappointing. Anyway, I will write to them, and they're usually really helpful with this in this situation, and I'm sure they have an explanation about it. But I have to say, I'm not complaining, because now I have 4 skeins, which makes it 800 yarn of worsted weight, which could easily make maybe like a poncho or like a wrap or a gilet. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I do love the yarn. I do love KnitCrate so much, and I'm so happy to work with them. They are offering all my viewers 20% off with code TEO20 of your first order. So I'll pop the link down below for you to go and check the KnitCrate and choose whichever one you want, or just buy your wool, and you will get 20% off with my code TEO20. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and thank you for supporting me in this journey of knitting, and I can't wait for next video, because it is a cowl video. I'll give you the heads up. It's a cowl video, and I am very excited about it because it's my own pattern, and it's a free pattern. It's very easy, but it looks amazing. So yeah, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you are notified when I upload a new video. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.